What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. This is going to be part 2 of plane spotting at Suvarnabhumi Airport. So this is the story of what happened. So I went to this place called the Happy and Healthy Bike Lane, and I went to the running place right over here. So if you don't see the red lines, you must be blind. That's where the people are running. So then I recorded this video, and you can see there's a plane coming inbound to the runway, and you can see it's pretty much landing right now, as you can hear everything of what's recording. Oh, it's gone. So yeah, the plane was landing on the south runway, and I managed to record this because I managed to see the plane on my plane tracker, and so I decided to record this video for you viewers. After that video was uploaded, it got dark, and soon I decided to go to the row number 3, and then I recorded this video. Oh. Security, please pass me. Please. Thank you. Well, I managed to say to security that, comes to this place. And of course, the security didn't care and just passed me anyway. So now you can see this plane is landing, and you already saw that plane was taxiing. This is a great advantage for us. This is where we used to... Mommy? This is the old this is where we used to record. Late touchdown right there. So here are the rest of the videos I recorded, and enjoy. Oh my dear. Now here's a special plane. Now here's a real close-up landing. Listen to those reverse thrusters. That's insane. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.